This next challenge is called Shootout. In this game, we're going to work on our upper body strength and muscular endurance in our chest, shoulders, and our core. And we're going to try to slap our softball on the floor and try to get it into our open box. And that's just a cardboard box. You can also use a laundry bin if you have a sturdy enough laundry bin. Now the key with this is that it has to be kind of heavy enough, because sometimes the softball will cause it to move, and while you're playing you don't want it to move a lot. But if you have someone standing there to help you, it'll be a little easier. I don't, so I gotta make sure mine doesn't move. So all I'm gonna do is we're gonna get in what's called a high plank or push-up position for this one, okay? Now if you remember, if you've seen the other videos, you'll know, but in case you haven't seen them yet, when you're in this position, you wanna be like this, okay? My core is nice and tight. I'm squeezing it. My arms are in a straight line with my shoulders. Okay, my hands are under my shoulders. If they're too wide or too far, it's really difficult, and you're not really working the correct muscles, and you can also hurt yourself. So make sure that you're in a nice high plank position and that you're not dipping and you're not sealing, okay? So what it's gonna look like is you're gonna be in your high plank position from the side, and then when the timer starts, I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna open hand strike it and try to get it into the box. So it'll look like this. See if I can get one. Hey, how about that? I got one. And you're gonna keep going like that. Again, you can have someone rebound for you, or you can have just a lot of softballs handy. And then you're gonna see how many times you can score your softball like I just did in 1 minute. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna get set up. How many can you get in 1 minute? Good luck.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.